focusing on the PV silicon wafer processing and manufacturing. Gaochi has laid out ingot to brick shaping equipment such as monocrystal cropping machine, monocrystal squaring machine, monocrystal integrated grinding and polishing machine, as well as wafer slicing machine. Today, we would like to give you a brief introduction of monocrystal cropping machine. The monocrystal cropping machine is used for ingot cropping process in PV silicon wafer manufacturing. The equipment is simple and easy to operate, enabling new operators to quickly master the operation process. It adopts ring wire cropping, multi-wire simultaneous processing, automatic loading and unloading, featuring good processing quality and high production capacity. It can also be connected with various automation devices, greatly improving production and efficiency. For more details, please feel free to contact us at any time.